Hey there! Search engine optimization is a method or a set of activities performed on the website to make it attractive to search engines and thereby get organic traffic to the website. But that's easier said than done for two reasons. Number one, while I called it magic, it's not something that works overnight, as it is a game of patience and consumes a lot of effort, and hence a considerable amount of time. And number two, not everyone is an SEO expert. Most entrepreneurs usually hire someone to do this. However, there is now an AI app that can offer some relief. It claims to completely handle your SEO for you without you ever needing to lift your finger. For busy entrepreneurs, that would translate to precious hours saved, which would have otherwise been spent hunting for those elusive keywords, creating keyword-rich content, and planning the content calendar. Hi, and welcome to Just Tech It Easy. Today we'll be diving into an AI app called SEO Bot, an AI tool that's making some pretty big promises. We'll break down exactly what it does, who it's really designed for, and most importantly, whether it actually delivers on those promises. Let's get into it. If you look at their website, like I had mentioned before, it makes some tall claims. Even reading the first two lines make it very evident. Fully autonomous SEO robots for solo makers and busy founders. And SEO Bot takes 100% of SEO work out of your way. And right below that is a CTA button. It is also mentioned that the cost starts from $19 per month. Well, I think right off the bat, they are making it clear who their target audience is and how it is going to cost, which I feel is a very good strategy. Alright, let us move on and first see how it all works. When you hit the Get More SEO Traffic button or the Try Now button, you are taken to a new chat page where it starts by asking you to enter the website address. Let's key in our website address here. Using the information provided, it then proceeds to scrape your website data, summarize it, and present it to you. Then it goes on to generate 10 SEO-friendly titles, which, based on its analysis, are high-ranking search keywords that will help direct traffic to that particular blog and hence to your website. Next, you can either approve these titles by clicking on the Proceed button or request some keyword changes and then proceed. On the next screen, you will have to select a subscription plan. That reminds me. Please subscribe to this channel for similar AI app breakdowns and other AI discussions so you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, let's get back. So they have multiple plans to choose from. Select the one suitable for you and you are all set. As they had mentioned on the homepage, the base subscription starts from $19 per month and goes up to $570 per month, with the primary difference being the number of blogs created per month. Now, here's the kicker. If you are someone who usually likes to get their hands dirty and you know your way around things, you may ask, so what's new? I can get all this done using ChatGPT itself. In fact, many of us already to this for competitor analysis, etc. So why would anyone pay for an app when all this can be achieved easily using AI nowadays? That's why they are very clear about their target audience right from the beginning. Solo makers and busy entrepreneurs. The working keywords being solo and busy. What SEO Bot really does for you is, it takes away the pain of researching and generating content from you by automating the entire process and doing everything for you with minimal or no supervision. Imagine the amount of time and frustration one would be saving by using SEO Bot. A couple of features that set it apart from the manual grind is the integrations available with various different CMS, which allows for auto-syncing of the generated data, and also that all contents created are fact-checked, polished, and production-ready. So yes, I would also recommend that everyone gives SEO Bot a shot. So, like me, if you've also been putting off SEO for months, maybe it's time to let the bots take over and bring in those eyeballs while you get back to being productive. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, take care, ciao.